That's right, I'm here going through my notes, and here is another little travel tip. If you are taking one of those Alaskan cruises and one of your stops is going to be in Skagway, I highly recommend taking the train that's going to take you up to White Pass. It was awesome. Now, there are 2 train rides, I understand. One's like 8 hours, one's like 4 or so. I think the shorter one was just fine. That's the one I took. I loved it. I saw amazing scenery, tons of history. It was really a great excursion. I recommend it. Well, I'm in Skagway right now, and I am getting ready to head off into the mountains via railway. So off we go.